How to add Zoom to Google Calendar. Start by opening your Google Calendar on your computer and signing in with your account. Click the gear icon at the top right, go to Settings, and select Add-ons from the side menu. Next, click Get Add-ons, then search for Zoom for Google Workspace in the Marketplace. Select it, click Install, and give the necessary permissions when asked. Once the installation is complete, return to your calendar and create a new event like you normally would. In the event details, you'll now see an option called Add Conferencing, and when you click it, you can choose Zoom Meeting. The first time you do this, you may need to sign in with your Zoom account to connect it. After logging in, a Zoom meeting link will automatically appear inside your event, and it will be included in the invitation for your guests. You can add a title, adjust the time, include a description, and invite participants, and they will receive the Zoom link right away. This integration makes it easier to organize meetings because everything is in one place. From now on, you'll be able to add Zoom links to your calendar events quickly without leaving Google Calendar. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.